Oh la la, what a great location this is. This I would classify as premium location here in Sanur, as it's close proximity to everything. You ain't gonna need to walk too far if you're staying at Kubu Karang Homestay. So this is an angle view on. Okay, so just another angle. You have a simple little kitchen with a just across from the swimming pool, blue, just by pizza. Really nice little door handle, counter, tables, wooden stools. You have all these beautiful seating. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Sanur and I'm on a street called Jalan Tambalang. And what I'm going to feature in today's video is a place called Kubu Karang Homestay. So Kubu Karang Homestay, it has 8 rooms available in total here. All the rooms are exactly the same, just slightly a small slight difference, but all the same price, all the same standard. So we're going to give you a room tour, we're going to give you a facility tour, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you a walk up along Jalan Tambalang. There's a few little warungs and a nice new pizza place that's just opened here, so we're going to take you up and show you those places. Then I'm going to walk you up to the main street of Jalan Tambalang, which is approximately I'd say 200 meters location from here. Then I'm going to take you to the main street. I'm not going to show you all of the restaurants, I'm just going to take you to the main street, point the direction of the main set of restaurants, and then I'm going to take you down Jalan Pantai Duyung, and I'm going to take you and show you the beach that's closest to this homestay. This homestay has a fabulous location here in Sanur. This is what I would call one of the premium areas of Sanur. This is a quiet back street, and it's going to be ideal for those of you that like peace and quiet but want to be very close to the heat of the action and close by to restaurants and the beach. So without any further ado, let's take you on a tour of Kubu Karang Homestay. So this is the entrance here to Kubu Karang Homestay. Okay, so this is a room here at Kubu Karang Homestay on Jalan Tambalang. So there's the entrance to the room. You have a little bench outside your window. You have a little internal garden type area here with a table and chairs, and then we'll just take you inside the room. So inside the room you have a double bed, you have bedside cabinets, bedside lighting on each side, a painting above the bed, nice headboard. Just another angle on the bed here. Wardrobe on the far side with the glass mirror in one side of the doors, and then up above it's air conditioned also. So on the opposite side of the bed you have TV. It is international channels. Wi-Fi is also provided. Just below the TV you have a little desk with a wooden stool and soft cushion seating, and just over on this side by the doorway as we enter you have a refrigerator. Small desk with your stool, television, and then we're going to enter inside to the bathroom. So here's your bathroom. You have an overhead shower. Body wash looks as though it's provided there. Everything looks nice and clean. Just over on the far side there you have a sink, wash basin, beautiful guy in the mirror, extractor fan, and there's your toilet with bum wash. Just over from the shower you have a towel rail, twin towel rail. Outside you have a clothes rail for doing your laundry, and just by the side here you have a kitchen. Inside the kitchen you have a simple little kitchen with a sink, a 1-burner stove, extractor fan above, a cupboard. We also have a cupboard down below. This is an angle view on the room. We've just shown you that room on the far corner there, and it's next door to another room. And if we come from there where we've just shown you, there's another 2 rooms also up here, and a temple in the far corner there. Another angle. This is the room we've just shown you, and then there's another 2 rooms here also. And then just as we step through the door here, we have a couple of wooden tables and chairs with soft cushion seating just at the back of the swimming pool. And then here's the beautiful swimming pool area. It's immaculately clean, so bright blue. And just by the swimming pool area you have a wooden table and chairs, soft cushion seating, umbrella above to keep you in the shade. Beautiful stone decoration on the wall over there, and then just at the back of the swimming pool you have some wooden sun lounges with soft tops. There's another angle on the swimming pool, and just across from the swimming pool you also have 2 rooms. Okay, so we've finished our tour now of Kubu Karang Homestay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a few warung options available on Jalan Tambalang Street, which is a location this place is based on. They're in close proximity to here, and then I'm going to take you up to the main street of Jalan Tambalang, and then we're going to walk down Jalan Pantai Duyung and show you the beach that's closest to this place. So let's go and have a look around. Step foot out of Kubu Karang Homestay, we're going to head up in this direction. These beautiful trees here, coconuts. And when we get to the end here we're going to go turn left. Saradina Villas there, another accommodation option on the left hand side. So when we get to the top of the street here and you see this sign for Kubu Karang Homestay, this way is going to be going up to the main street, but we're just going to head down in this direction. So there's a sign already for Jojos Pizza. So this area is a popular area with villas and houses. It's a residential area. And then here's our first place, Jojos Pizza. Brand new place called Jojos Pizza. Really nice setting, everything's brand spanking new. Beautiful seating here, wooden tables, wooden chairs. 2 people over there having pizza and working on the laptops. Here's the door, we'll just take you and show you inside. Have a nice little door handle. And here we are inside, it's super cool in here, so it's air conditioned inside. And wooden tables with like plastic chairs with metal frame. And if we just continue on down the street from Jojos Pizza, we have Bali Emerald Villas here on the left hand side, and then just down the street here we've got another couple of little warungs also. We might as well include them in the video. So this place is called Yuki Maru. So it's a Japanese themed restaurant. Wooden tables, wooden stools. And then here we'll just enter inside and show you the inside of the restaurant. So you have more wooden tables, wooden chairs with soft cushion seating, bench style seating at the back with pillows, nice lighting, it's air conditioned in here. And just to give you an idea here of some of the menu. It's chalked up here on the board in the restaurant. Just next door to Yuki Maru we have another little warung called Dreddy House. Come in, we are open, lunch and dinner. The dog's not so friendly. And there's the kitchen facility area there in the back. And then we have some beautiful wooden tables, wooden chairs, soft wooden seating. Nice decoration on the wall, and you have some stools over by the roadside. Okay, so I'm back now where we started and come out of the gang that Kubu Karang Homestay is on. After showing you the 3 restaurants on the right hand side, now we're going to head up to the main street of Jalan Tambalang. So this is where we've just come from, and then we're going to turn left this time and head up towards Jalan Tambalang. Just on the left hand side here you have Secret Villa. Ooh la la, nice. This is a really nice residential area, very quiet. Have a villa under construction here on the left hand side. Villa's Peace, Joy and Harmony. It's under construction. And then when we get here we're going to bear right around the corner. And then just on the right hand side here is Gunakata Homestay. This is what we've already featured in a video. Gunakata Homestay has its own warung there on the right hand side. And Bali Emerald Villas also on the right hand side here. So many accommodation options in this area because this is a premium location of Sanur. Have a laundry on the right hand side here if you need your laundry doing. Small local warung on the right hand side also there. Another little local warung here as well. Warungs satay. And then we have another place here called Anna Warung. Many little warungs in this area, so you have some simple tables, chairs, with a mixture of everything in here. And then now we're approaching the main street. We have a nice place here on the right hand side called Solia. However, we're not going to take you and show you the restaurants. My advice to you is turn right here and you're going to have many restaurants along this section of street. Popular supermarket is also up in that direction, about 900 meters from here. And we're just going to head straight across the road. So we're heading across the road. This is Jalan Tambalang. So another good place if you're looking for a local warung and want really good food at good prices is Warung Kessel here on the right hand side. This is a very popular place, exceptional food at great prices. And a massage called Bliss Massage. And another place called Pescado here, which I've also featured in my video with Gunakata Homestay. On the right hand side here we have a soccer beauty salon and spa. A soccer homestay is there also. And then just on the right here we have Duyung Homestay. So all of these accommodations featured in today's video are absolutely premium location here in Sanur. Kubu Karang, Gunakata, Ashoka, Duyung, Parigata Villas and Resort, they're all premium location here in Sanur. We have the Parigata Villas and Resort there on the right hand side. Also has a cafe attached there as well that you can go to and try. Another one is Hotel Segara Agung, which is down there. there. Have a chic coffee and eatery. Nice little place here with a garden style setting. And just as we walk around, you have a parker here on the right hand side. You're going to have to pay $2,000 to park your motorbike and $5,000 to park your car. Motorbike parking is also available in there and along this area here. You have a nice little collection of cafes, restaurants and many options here. You're here now at Pantai Duyong. So once you reach this Pantai Duyong sign, you can turn left or right, and there's going to be multiple restaurant options available to you along this section of beach. I think there's about 13 restaurants in total, all within close proximity, literally right next door to each other. I've covered this area in so many other videos. I'm not going to cover it in today's video. So if you want to see that, just look at the Gunakea Homestay video and you'll see all of the restaurant options available along this section of beach. Just take you and show you the beach here. You have all these beautiful seating areas like this all along at the restaurants. Okay, so that concludes my video now of Kubu Karang Homestay and the surrounding area. Oh la la, what a great location this is. This I would classify as premium location here in Sanur, as it's close proximity to everything. You ain't gonna need to walk too far if you're staying at Kubu Karang Homestay. So as we've shown you on Jalan Tambalang, you've got the 3 warungs. If you turn right out of the main road, the gang of Kubu Karang Homestay, if you're walking up the street again towards Jalan Tambalang, and you've got more warungs again on your way there. Then when you get to the main street of Jalan Tambalang, even though we didn't include it in today's video, just turn right. So many food options are going to be available to you on this main street of Jalan Tambalang. We've taken you down and shown you Duyong beach area, fabulous beach area that. There's many eating options again along that section of beach. All in all, this is going to be a great place, great location for you to stay here in Sanur. So glad to share Kubu Karang Homestay with you. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope some of you find this useful, and maybe Kubu Karang's an option for you here in Sanur. And I shall say bye for now.